Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking Frostiggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're going to draw in the overall head shape, which is just going to be one big circle. And this is a very cool looking piggy. Pretty much the same as the other ones, just it's got those cool spikes on the top. Okay, so once we have this, we're going to come down. Here's the center of the circle, just go slightly higher. And then just one more circle. So that will be the snout, and then right in the center, just come out to the side. 2 more circles, and let me shade them in real quick. Alright, and then now for the eyes. So just come out in an angle right here. Let's draw another circle. And then same thing here. So whatever space you have in between here, just add a circle. Now I'm going to add in another circle inside, and this will be the highlight, and I'll just shade around it. Alright, and then now for the ears. Come up to the side right here, go up, make a little point. You come out to an angle right here, make another point. So we just draw one big curve from point to point. Okay, so same thing here. Here's the corner, go up. Here's an angle, make another point. So this way it just kind of helps you to space things out a little bit better. Alright, and then now for the cool little spikes. So just right above the, on the side of the ear actually, we just go straight up. And then come back down. A little bit of an angle. And then right here on this one, we'll go out from the eyes. Okay, and then for the little cheek here, looks like a smaller cheek. Okay, so just 2 little kind of egg shapes, and then I'm going to add a little line and it goes across, but then at an angle. Alright, so that's the head. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. On the side right here, come straight down. And let's go ahead and continue down with the dress. Go all the way down, flare out, and then just kind of come in slightly. Now come to the center of this, come down, and I'm just going to draw one big curve, just connect that. Okay, so just two little lumps. And then for the spaces in here, right in the corner, just go up to add some folds. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the body. And let's draw on this arm first because this one's gonna be holding the weapon. So here's the armpit. Come back up here. One big curve coming down. We'll keep this simple. Curve, we'll stop right here. And then for the hand, come down with a little hook. Back of the hand, and then just kind of keep going. Curl it. That'll be for the other finger. Okay, so let's draw on this one, and this one's gonna be slightly different. But here's the armpit again. Come down. So same thing here, this part's gonna be the same. And then this part is gonna be holding the weapon. One big hook for the thumb. And then continue this. Let's go all the way around. Okay, so that's gonna be the grip. So now to draw in the cool little baseball bat with the spikes. So start right around here. You make two little points. And this one's gonna flare out because it's gonna be much wider at the ends. And then around the end, just smooth it out. And then now for the spikes. So just draw one angle and then draw another one on the bottom. So same thing here, just draw one, come to the other side. And that is it for this Frostiggy. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.